Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We are making a yummy apple pie. Take 6 green apples or any other tart and hard apple. Peel core and slice into thin slices. Place in a bowl and add a quarter cup of sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Three tablespoons of flour. One teaspoon of cinnamon. Two ready-made pie crusts. Dish the filling into one of the crusts. Add about 2 tablespoons of small cubed butter. Sprinkle the top with a little cinnamon or nutmeg. Top the pie with the second pie crust. Fold the sides over the baking dish to prevent the mixture from running out. Make 2 slits to allow the steam to escape. Sprinkle sugar on top. Bake at 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 60 minutes. Let it cool down before cutting the pie. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.